Hi friends, welcome to Testing Tutorials Point. This is Lokesh and today we are going to discussing about how to handle a web table into the our testing, how we can able to handle. For this I'm going to use this particular new test case, and this is my table. If I'm going to see here, if the checkboxes are there, if I click this first text box, I can able to click it, and second again, third like this, and also I can able to verify any value in a table. Any value in a table I can able to verify. How we can able to verify those things? Okay, and how we can able to click the check boxes in a table. There is a different way I'm going to show you. For this I'm going to use for a web table. Okay, first I need to open my URL because it is open for Orange HRM URL. That's why I'm going to change my URL. Then what I need to use for, I need to click on a page. I need to click on checkbox. Click on my checkbox and colon, where we need to use for to the left, to the left of, and which value you want to use it. I'm going to use for this value and save it, and again I'm going to use for click on, again I'm going to use for this particular value, and I'm going to use it, and to the left of, sorry, checkbox. Okay, and then I need to verify some value. This is a pre-sale subject that I want to verify. Then I can able to check check that the check that page contains this particular value or not. Okay, now you can able to say, add and run. It will add into that particular suit level, and it will start for the setting up the particular one. Once execution is start, it will show you the result, what are the things it is presented. Now first, because we are opening for Orange HRM, that's what is open, and then it is open for our new URL, and you can able to see the checkbox also it is checked here. Okay, now it is going for verification. See, final one is verification. If I click here, you can able to see the checkbox, first checkbox, and then it is showing for checkbox is checked. Okay, then third again it is going highlighting that particular page, that entire line to left, what all the values are there, that entire values are highlighted. Okay, then it is clicked on checkbox, and after that it is verified for this particular value. Okay, once it is verified, then the test case is completed without any code writing. For we need to write, we need to get the rows in programming language style. If you say that there are rows we need to get, and after that we need to get the columns, then we need to load the entire that page, that entire HTML table, and after that inside that we need to one row by row and column by column we need to check all the values whether it is presented or not. If it is present, we need to click for left side of the value, preceding sibling we need to use for X path, right? This all the things we have to do, but test Ringo it is not that much. You can directly hit that and you can able to verify. This is all about for HTML table validation. I hope this concept is helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe and share to your friends and colleagues. Thank you.